how to fix age or birth date change not applying on Hinge. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can fix if we're not being able to change or at least reflect the changes of our age or birth date on the Hinge account. So without any further ado and without any delay, let us get started with today's video. If you've updated your age or birth date on Hinge and if it is not applying, the most likely reason is that because you have already changed your age or date of birth once on Hinge. So you can only change it once. If you go to the Hinge app over here, come to your profile page, tap on the pencil editing icon next to your profile and scroll down to the age tab over here. And when you tap on this age tab, you can see I understand that I can only change my age once. After that, if you want to change, you have to submit a government ID which shows your current age in order to change your age. So unfortunately, if you've already changed it once, you cannot change it again without a verification. To change it again, you have to submit a verification ID that shows your current age, and it has to be real according to your age, and then after that only you'll be able to change it. So hopefully this video helped you answer your question as to why you are not being able to change your age on Hinge. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.